Hi students, today I will start on exercise 10.7. Solve the linear differential equations. Okay, linear differentiation means some basic procedure is here. So dy by dx plus py equal to q and integral factor if means integral factor. Okay, integral factor equal to e power integral p dx. The two basic procedure is very important. Okay, this is another one procedure. Suppose instead of dy by dx means you take dx by dy plus py means you take px after equal to q is some concept, I mean constant value. Okay, so integral factor in this case e power integral p dy. Okay, now let us start now. Question number 1, cos x into dy by dx plus y into sin x equal to 1. What is the procedure? Dy by dx. So we want to only dy by dx only, but in this case cos x is in coefficient. Okay, cos x in coefficient term, so removing the coefficients, so you take divisible by cos x. Divisible by cos x means cos x cancel, remaining 1 into dy by dx only. Okay, so y by sin x by cos x equal to y into sin x by cos x equal to 1 by cos x, 1 by cos x. So dy by dx plus y into sin by cos, you know, tan x equal to 1 by cos x secant x. Okay, so this is the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay, because dy by dx is here after py. Okay, it is called p, it is called y. So p into y, py concept. After constant value means q, so q means secant x. Okay, so we got the linear differential equation procedure. Okay, so p equal to tan x, q equal to secant x. After we want to find integral factor. What is integral factor formula? E power integral p dx. So e power integral p dx is here. First we want to prove that power value, I mean integral p dx only. So integral, what is meant by p? P means tan x into dx. Tan x integrate value log of secant x, log of secant x. After now integral factor, the full form e power integral p dx. So e power, what is integral p dx value? Log of secant x. So log of secant x is here. Now base e and log cancel because log and e same. So e and log value cancel, e and log value cancel, remaining value modulus of secant x. Modulus of secant x equal to secant x only. Okay, thank you students. We want to prove that solution formula y into integral factor equal to integral q into integral factor dx plus c. Okay, so y into, what is integral factor formula? E power integral p dx equal to q into integral factor formula e power integral p dx after dx plus c is here. Okay, y into, what is integral factor value? Secant x. Integral factor value secant x is here. Where? Okay, secant x is here. After q into q value also secant x, q value also secant x. Okay, q value also secant x, secant x into after integral factor secant x dx plus c. So y into secant x equal to integral secant x into secant x is here. So secant x into secant x, secant square x into dx plus c. So y into secant x equal to integral of secant square x value tan x, integral of secant square x value tan x plus c. Okay, integral of secant square x dx equal to tan x. So secant x how to write? 1 by cos x. So 1 by cos x means 1 into y by cos x equal to tan x how to write? Sin by cos plus c. So y by cos x equal to sin x plus c is here. Now taking cross multiplication, cos x into c, c into cos x, cos x into c, c into cos x, divisible by cos x is here. So sin x plus c into cos x by cos x. Now both side cos x cancel because that side divisible cos x, in opposite side multiple. So numerator denominator value cancel concept. So y equal to sin x plus c into cos x. It is a final answer of first question. Okay, thank you students. Okay student, now question number 2, 1 minus x square dy by dx minus xy equal to 1. Okay, first we make the linear differential equation procedure. It is the procedure dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay, now dy by dx is here, but in this value coefficient 1 minus x square is here. So removing the 1 minus x square. So I take divisible by 1 minus x square. So divisible by 1 minus x square means numerator by denominator cancelled. After minus xy divided by 1 minus x square. After 1 by 1 minus x square. This is the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay. So y is here. Y coefficient value p. So p value means you take minus of x divided by 1 minus x square. P value you take minus of x divided by 1 minus x square. Okay. P value minus of x divided by 1 minus x square. After q means constant. Constant means 1 minus 1 by 1 minus x square. Okay. What is integral factor? Integral factor formula e power integral p dx. So e into integral, what is p value? P value minus x divided by 1 minus x square is here into dx is here. Okay. So we can't do integrated. So you take substitution method. Substitution method means t equal to 1 minus x square. I mean one function by function means you take substitution method. T equal to 1 minus x square. After function of t derivative with respect to x. So dt by dx equal to constant value differentiate 0. X square differentiate value 2x. So 0 minus 2x equal to minus 2x. So dt by dx equal to minus 2x. dt by 2 equal to, I mean that side multiple to in opposite divisible. So dt by 2 equal to minus x into that side divisible dx in opposite multiple. So minus x into dx. Okay. So instead of dt by 2 equal to you take minus x dx or minus x dx equal to you take dt by 2. So now see equation number 1. E power integral x dx is here. Okay, x dx is here. Minus x dx is here, but minus x dx value dt by 2. So instead of minus x dx equal to you take dt by 2 divisible by 1 minus x square is here. Instead of 1 minus x square means you take t. So dt by 2 divided by 2. Okay, dt by 2 divided by t. So e power 1 by 2, because dt by 2 is here. In this case 1 by 2 is a coefficient taking outside. So 1 by 2 is a coefficient taking outside. So 1 by 2 of integral dt divided by t only. So e power 1 by 2 dt by t means how to write integral 1 by t into dt. Integral 1 by dt by t means 1 by t into dt. Okay. So integral of 1 by t equal to log t. You know, integral 1 by x value log x. So integral 1 by t means log t. Integral 1 by t into dt means log t. So e power 1 by 2 log t is here. After this is log a power m formula. Log a power m formula. What is a log a power m formula? M log a. Log a power m equal to m log a. So it is m log a concept. M log a. M log a, how to write? Log a power m. So log t power 1 by 2. Log t power 1 by 2. Now base e and power log cancel. So log and e cancel. Remaining value modulus t power 1 by 2. Okay, modulus t power 1 by 2. Modulus t power, same concept. Modulus t power 1 by 2 means modulus of t positive value get positive only. So t power 1 by 2. T power 1 by 2 how to write? Root t. T power 1 by 2 how to write? Root t. So e power integral p dx equal to root of, what is meant by t value? I mean substitution method. T value, t equal to, where is t equal to 1 minus x square. So root t means root of 1 minus x square. After we want to find solution. Solution formula y into integral factor equal to q into integral factor dx plus c. So y into integral factor formula e power integral p dx equal to q into integral factor formula e power integral p dx into dx plus c. Okay, now y into e power integral p dx value root of 1 minus x square equal to q value we know 1 by, it is q value equal to 1 by 1 minus x square. So 1 by 1 minus x square is here. After e power integral p dx value root of 1 minus x square into dx plus c. So y into root of 1 minus x square equal to 1 into root of 1 minus x square. Okay, 1 into root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square only. after divisible by 1 minus x square is here. Now we know root of 1 minus x square means it is square root value. So how to write 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2. Okay, 1 minus x square, I mean root of 1 minus x square, how to write 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2, because square root means power 1 by 2. So root of 1 minus x square means you take 1 minus x square power 1 by 2 divisible by 1 minus x square is here. Okay, after root of 1 minus x, I mean y into root of 1 minus x equal to, here it is a power m divided by a power n formula method. Okay, we know a power m divided by a power n, because a means base means same. So a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Subtract the power value. So 1 minus x square power 1 by 2 minus 1 into dx. Okay. So 1 minus x square 1 by 2 minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 2, because 1 by 2 minus 1 equal to 2 ones are 2, minus 2 by 1 minus 2 by 2. Okay, minus 2 after remaining 1 is here, minus 1 minus 2 divided by 2. So 1 minus 2 divided by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 minus x square power minus 1 by 2 into dx is here. Now it is a power minus m concept. A, the whole term is called a. A power minus m, how to write? 1 by a power plus m. Okay, 1 by a power plus m. So integral 1 divided by power 1 by 2 means what is the procedure? Power 1 by 2 means square root. So square root of 1 minus x square into dx plus c. Okay, so y into root of 1 minus x square equal to sine inverse x, because 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx formula sine inverse x. Okay, you know the differentiate formula, integrate formula, integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx equal to sine inverse x. Okay, so sine inverse x after plus c is here, so plus c is here. Okay, thank you students. Now question number 3, dy by dx plus y by x equal to sin x. Okay, so dy by dx plus y by x means you take 1 by x into y, 1 by x into y, because we want to prove that the procedure dy by dx plus py equal to q. So y coefficient p only. So y coefficient 1 by x means p equal to sin x. Now p equal to 1 by x, q equal to sin x. Okay, what is integral factor formula? E power integral p dx. So e power integral, what is meant by p? P means 1 by x into dx. So e power integral 1 by x means log x. Integral 1 by x dx means log x. So e and log cancel, remaining value x. So integral factor value x only. Okay, after we want to prove that solution. Solution is, what is the formula? Solution formula y into integral factor equal to integral q into integral factor dx plus c. So y into integral factor formula e power integral p dx, after q into integral factor formula e power integral p dx plus c. Okay, now y into e power integral p dx value x only. E power integral p dx value, where is e power integral p dx value? X. I mean integral factor value x. X equal to integral q value, you know, sin x. Q value, you know, sin x. After sin x, after e power integral p dx value x into dx plus c. Okay, now sin x into x is here. Sin x into x means product of two differentiate function, two different function. Okay, sin x into x means product of two different function. Product of two different function means it is cannot be integrated. So you take substitution method, or you take isolate method. Isolate means, now I explain. I means integral, L means logarithmic function, A means algebraic function, T means trigonometric function, E means exponential function. So in this concept, sin x means trigonometric function is here. Sin theta, I mean sin x means sin theta. Okay, so sin x means trigonometric function is here. X means algebraic function, you know, x, 2x, 3x also a algebraic function. So in this case, trigonometric and algebraic function is here. So you take isolate method. So first one is algebraic function. Algebraic function is what? X. So x equal to, you take u. Okay. Second one is trigonometric function. Trigonometric function is what? Sin x. So sin x means you take dv. Okay. First one is called u. Second one is called dv. So first one is called x, second one is called sin x. Okay, it is called Eilert method. Okay, so now differentiate the value. So function of u derivative with respect to x. So du by dx equal to x differentiate value 1. So du equal to that side divisible dx in opposite multiple. So 1 into dx only. Okay, after dv equal to sin x. dv equal to sin x means dv coefficient 1. So 1 into dv equal to sin x is here. Now integrate the function. First one function is differentiable. Second one is function is integrated. So integral of 1 equal to v. Integral of 1 into dv means v equal to sin x integrate value minus cos x. Okay. Now we got the du and the v value. Now yx equal to it is called integral by parts. Integral by parts formula. Integral by parts. Okay, integral by parts means we take Eilert method. So integral by parts formula uv minus integral v du. uv minus integral v du. So what is meant by u? U means x. What is meant by u? U means x. After what is meant by v? V means minus cos x minus integral v. What is meant by v? Minus cos x into du. What is meant by du? Dx only. Okay. After minus x, I mean plus into minus x cos x. After minus integral cos x value sin x. Integral cos x value, integral of cos x equal to sin x. Okay, this is formula. Integral of cos x equal to sin x, but integral differentiation of cos x equal to minus sin x in differentiation method, but this is integral. So integral of cos x equal to sin x. Integral of cos x equal to sin x minus sin is here, so minus sin x. Okay, plus c means constant. Sum of constant. Now already minus is here, so minus into minus plus sin x. So y into x equal to minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. Now y equal to multiple x in opposite divisible, minus x cos x by x, sin x by x, c by x. Okay, so x cancel, remaining value minus cos x plus sin x by x plus c by x. It is a final result of question number 3. Okay, thank you students. Okay student, now question number 4. X square plus 1 into dy by dx plus 2xy equal to root of x square plus 4. What is the procedure of linear differential equation? Dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay, so in this case dy by dx coefficient is x square plus 1 is here. So removing the coefficient value, so I take divisible by x square plus 1. So divisible by x square plus 1 means numerator denominator value cancel, dy by dx we got. After 2x y divided by x square plus 1 equal to root of x square plus 4 divided by x square plus 1. Okay, now it is the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. Now y coefficient p. So y coefficient, what is the value? 2x divided by x square plus 1. It is called p. After q means constant. Constant value root of x square plus 4 divided by x square plus 1 is here. After we want to prove that integral factor. Integral factor formula e power integral p dx. So e power integral, what is meant by p? 2x divided by x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, now you take substitution method, because this is one of the function, this is also another one function. So one function by one function means we take substitution method. Substitution method means put t equal to x square plus 1. Put t equal to x square plus 1. Now dt by dx, I mean function of t derivative with respect to x. So dt by dx equal to x square differentiate value 2x, constant differentiate value is 0. So dt equal to multiple divided dx in opposite multiple. So 2x into dx, 2x dx. Okay. After substitute all the values in this formula. Okay. So e power integral, what is meant by 2x dx value? 2x dx means dt. So instead of this value equal to, you take dt divisible by x square plus 1. What is meant by x square plus 1 value? T. So dt by t. So e power integral dt by t means how to write 1 by t into dt. 1 by t means log t. 1 by t means integrate 1 by t value log t. We know integral of 1 by x formula log x. As it is, integral of 1 by t equal to log t. Log t. Here dx, here dt. Okay, now e and log cancel, remaining value t only. So integral factor value t. What is meant by t value? X square plus 1. So instead of t equal to, you take x square plus 1. After solution formula is y into integral factor equal to q into integral factor dx plus c. Okay, so y into integral factor value we know, integral factor value x square plus 1 equal to q value we know. Where is q? Q equal to x square plus 4 divided by x square plus 1 into integral factor value we know, x square plus 1 into dx plus c. After y of x square plus 1 equal to, now here numerator x square plus 1, denominator x square plus 1 cancel, remaining value root of x square plus 4 dx plus c only. Now y of x square plus 1 equal to integral x square 4 how to write 2 square into dx plus c. We know that the formula, integration formula, integral of, okay, integral of x square plus a square dx equal to x by 2 root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 log of modulus x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. It is a formula of x square plus a square root of x square plus a square. But in this concept, x square plus 2 square is here. A means constant. So sum of constant. A means constant. So x square plus 2 square means in this formula method. Okay. So you take x by 2 root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 log of some values here. So you take x equal to x, because instead of x equal to x is here, but instead of a equal to 2 is here. Okay, instead of x equal to x, instead of a equal to a. So substitute all the values in this formula. So y of x square plus 1 equal to, what is the formula? X by 2. Instead of this part equal to, you take the formula x by 2 root of a square plus x square is here. What is meant by a? 2. So 2 square plus x square is here. After, what is meant by a? A means 2. So 2 square by 2 means 2 square by 2. After log of some values here. So you take log of x plus root of x square plus a square formula. A means 2. So 2 square plus c is here. After y of x square plus 1 equal to x by 2, 2 square 4, 4 plus x square plus 2 square means 4, 4 by 2 equal to 2, 4 by 2 equal to 2, 2 into log of x plus root of x square plus 2 square means 4 only, plus c. It is a final result of question number 4. Okay. Thank you, students. Okay, students, now question number 9. 1 plus xy square dy by dx plus y cube equal to 0. Okay, so 1 plus xy square dy by dx equal to, that side plus term in equal to opposite side minus. So dy by dx equal to, because we want to the procedure dy by dx plus py equal to q. So dy by dx equal to minus of y plus y cube divided by 1 plus xy square. In this case, numerator y is a common factor. In this case, x is a common factor. Okay, but this is not in the form of dy by dx py equal to q. dy by dx is here, but plus py term is missing. Plus py term is missing. After constant term also missing. Okay, this is not in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. So taking reciprocal. Taking reciprocal means we want to prove the second procedure. Dx by dy. Okay, dx by dy plus px equal to q concept. So dy by dx means dx by dy equal to 1 plus x of 1 plus y square divided by minus y of 1 plus y square. Okay, taking reciprocal after this term. Now dx by dy equal to, this is the common divisor. So 1 by minus y of 1 plus y square plus x of 1 plus y square divided by minus y into 1 plus y square. Now numerator 1 by 1 plus y square cancel, remaining value plus into minus minus. Okay, plus into minus minus. So remaining value minus 1 divided by y of 1 plus y square. Dy by dx equal to minus 1 y of 1 plus y square plus, plus into minus minus only. Plus into minus minus of x divided by y. Okay, x divided by y. Now that side minus x by y in opposite plus x by y equal to minus 1 divided by y of 1 plus y square. After p equal to 1 by, because p coefficient x. P coefficient x, but xy is here. So p coefficient x means, So x into 1 by y is here. X into 1 by y means x coefficient 1 by y. X coefficient 1 by y means that is called p. P equal to 1 by y. Q equal to constant value. Okay. Now integral factor e power integral p dx. So e power integral p value 1 by y only. P value 1 by y. Okay. 1 by y. Log of, integral 1 by y value log y. Integral 1 by dy means log y. Now base c log cancel, remaining value integral factor y only. After solution formula x into integral factor equal to q into integral factor dy plus c. What is integral factor value? Y equal to, what is q? Q value minus 1 divided by y of 1 plus y square. Okay. After integral factor y into dy plus c. Now numerator and denominator y cancel, remaining value minus 1 divided by 1 plus y square. Okay, so taking minus outside, so 1 by 1 plus y square dy plus c. Okay, so xy equal to integral 1 by 1 plus y square equal to tan inverse y. Integral 1 by 1 plus y square equal to tan inverse y. So minus is here, so minus tan inverse y plus c is here. So xy minus term in opposite plus tan inverse of y equal to c. Now xy tan inverse y equal to c is a final answer. Okay, thank you students. dy by dx equal to sin square x divided by 1 plus x cube minus 3x square y divided by 1 plus x cube. Okay, so dy by dx in this term, minus term in opposite side, plus 3x square y divided by 1 plus x cube equal to sin square x divided by 1 plus x cube. Okay, it is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay, so dy by dx plus py equal to q. Now y coefficient is 3x square divided by 1 plus x cube. That is called p. Okay, after that is called q. Constant value means q. So integral factor formula e power integral p dx. P value 3x square by 1 plus x cube. Okay, so e power 3x square is a, 3x square is a coefficient. So e power 3x square, remaining value integral 1 by 1 plus x cube. 1 by 1 plus x cube into dx is here. Okay, so e power 3x square into integral 1 by 1 plus x cube formula log of 1 plus x cube. Okay, we know integral 1 by x equal to log x. So integral 1 by 1 plus x cube equal to log of 1 plus x cube, but in this case x cube is here. X cube means differentiate value, chain rule function. X cube differentiate value 3x square. So log of 1 plus x cube divided by 3x square is a final concept. Okay, so numerator 3x square, denominator 3x square cancel, remaining value e power log of 1 plus x cube. So log and e cancel, remaining value 1 plus x cube. After the solution is y of integral factor equal to q of integral factor dx plus c. So y of integral factor value 1 plus x cube, q value sin square x divided by 1 plus x cube, integral factor 1 plus x cube into dx plus c. Now numerator denominator term cancel, remaining value integral sin square x dx only. So integral of sin square x means cannot be integrated. So you take trigonometric function formula, sin square x formula 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Sin square x trigonometric formula 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So integral of 1 minus cos 2x by 2 into dx. Okay, now 1 by 2 is a coefficient taking outside. 1 by 2, 2 is a constant taking outside. That means 1 by 2 integral of 1 minus cos 2x dx plus c. Okay, so y of 1 plus x cube 1 by 2 integral of 1 value x, integral of 1 into dx equal to x. After integral of cos 2x value equal to sin 2x. Integral of cos 2x sin 2x by 2, because chain rule function concept 2x means 2 only. Differentiation of 2x equal to 2. First you take integral, cos 2x into dx equal to sin 2x. After chain rule function means differentiated. 2x differentiate value 2 only. Okay, that means divisible 2 plus c. So 1 by 2 into x by 2. After 1 by 2 into sin 2x by 2 equal to sin 2x by 4, because 2 2s are 4 plus c. So y of 1 plus x cube equal to x by 2 minus sin 2x by 4 plus c is the final answer. Okay, thank you students. After question number 15, dy by dx plus 3y by x equal to 1 by x square, given that y equal to 2, x equal to 1. Okay, now p equal to 3 by x, I mean y coefficient 3 by x is here, that is called p value, q value means 1 by x square. After integral factor formula, e per integral p dx, p value 3 by x into dx. So taking 3 outside, remaining value 1 by x. So integral of 1 by x means log of modulus x. Okay, it is called m log a concept. M log a, how to write? Log of a power m. But that 3 in go to power. So log of x power 3. So log and e cancel, remaining value modulus x. Modulus x cube equal to x cube only. Okay, after the solution. Solution formula, y of integral factor equal to q into integral factor dx plus c. So integral factor value x cube. So y of x cube equal to q value x. Integral factor value x cube. Okay, q value x. Sorry, one term missing. Y of integral factor x cube equal to integral q value 1 by x square is here. 1 by x square into integral factor value x cube into dx plus c. After x square and x cube term cancel. Okay, remaining value x only. So x into dx, x dx plus c only. Okay, after integral of x value x square by 2, integral of x value x square by 2 plus c. C is a constant. Okay, so after put x equal to 1 comma y equal to 2, already gave the value x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Substitute x equal to 1. So 2 of 1 cube equal to 2 of y value 2. So 2 of 1 cube equal to x value 1. So 1 square by 2 plus c. So 1 cube value 1 only. So 2 of 1 equal to 2 equal to 1 square by 2 means 1 by 2 plus c. Okay, now c equal to that side plus 1 by 2 and opposite side minus 1 by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. C equal to 3 by 2. Now substitute c equal to 3 by 2 in this equation. Okay, so yx cube equal to x square by 2 plus c equal to 3 by 2. So instead of c equal to 3 by 2. Now yx cube equal to 2 is a common factor. So x square plus 3 divided by 2. Now divided 2 in opposite multiple. So 2 into yx cube, 2yx cube equal to x square plus 3. It is a final answer. Okay. Thank you, students.